Another FN2 in the house. So this one's getting the Ecutek treatment. Mr. Richard Ellis is going to be mapping as per usual. So we shall see what we end with today. I shall make some videos and things like that, as I always do. You guys know. You already know. Well, we've got some modifications. Obviously, we've got the Skunk 2 induction kit, which is pretty sexual. Got an ultra racing brakes there, guys. Not seen many of those, but it has got the decap, the 4-branch manifold, and an exhaust system. That sounds really aggressive, Rich. That sounds amazing. I just wanted to...
Compared to what?
Compared to how it came in.
Oh, okay.
I just wanted to commend you. I commend this map to the house.
I'm not accepting it.
You're not accepting it? You've been playing tic-tac-toe on that, ain't you?
I haven't done anything yet.
You just been on Facebook.
I just wanted to rev this car up.
You just wanted to rev it.
I feel that crackle a bit more than a proper pop and bang. That sounds a little bit more.
You like that, don't you, Rich?
Right.
There we go, that's the end point of today's map using the Ecutek software, and we're at 213 brake horsepower, 282 at the wheels. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it's only a short video, but it's a lot of noise and a lot of fun. Speak soon.
Life moves pretty fast.